is day 28 of my 30 days of service, and an unbelievable day. One of the best so far, not that they haven't all been great. Today I worked with an organization called Kaboom, and when I first started my 30 days, this is one of the organizations, national organizations, on my short list of I need to make sure I find a project with them during this 30 days. So I was fortunate enough to do that. And let me tell you what they do. They are all about building safe play spaces, so playgrounds for our kids. It's simple, it's logical, it's fun. Every kid should have a safe place to play in every community around the country and beyond our country. I grew up in suburban New Jersey and was fortunate enough to have lots of playgrounds to choose from, and so it was really never a thought. And we had swings at home and at my grandparents', and so I never really thought about not having a safe place to play. But the fact of the matter is lots of kids don't have safe places to play. So a gentleman by the name of Daryl Hammond, who's a fantastic guy I've had the opportunity of meeting quite a few times, started Kaboom, I think 16 years ago, and they are dedicated to building these safe playgrounds. So today I am in the city of Pico Rivera, which is in the San Gabriel Valley, and I came out, and when you get to the site where you're going to be building a playground, in this case it's at a community park, you get there and there is nothing. There is just this blank canvas, and apparently this park, they did have a play space, but it was all rotten wood and splintered and just not safe for kids. So over the course of 7 hours, we transformed this community park. It is now the coolest looking, safest playground you could imagine. And it was done with about 250 volunteers, literally over the course of 6 or 7 hours. Unbelievable. The mayor of Pico Rivera was here. The boys' baseball team here, the Pico Boys, were involved, and there were families here and kids, and it was just this big community day, and now they all get to enjoy this great, beautiful play space that was actually designed by local kids. So what Kaboom does is their project managers come down ahead of time, in this case Dan, a fantastic guy, and they meet with kids in local schools and things like that, and really the kids get to design the playground that we built today. So it was great, and Dan was a fantastic project manager, and he also had the help of a colleague, Kenny, who is also fantastic, and Kenny has another build coming up here in Southern California in a couple weeks. And the whole day was sponsored by Foresters Life Insurance. I was not familiar with them, but now am, and I'm going to look into their products. They have a multi-year commitment to build 100 playgrounds in North America. Unbelievable. It is a multi, I think $7 million overall commitment to Kaboom and to local communities that they serve. So kudos to them, and they were the nicest group of volunteers. And so it was people from Foresters, both who work there as well as members, so people who have their life insurance, the Pico Boys and their families, just community members from this Pico Rivera neighborhood, the mayor, just unbelievable. So now these kids get to come. There are multiple slides. There are swings, which I helped put together. That was one of my jobs today. A fire truck thing, like everything you can imagine. And then there are planter benches, so you can sit and rest with these beautiful flowers, and they got built and planted, and other seats and some shade spots. And it's just fantastic. I am absolutely exhausted. I have now calluses on my hands. I'm so glad I did this, but I have to tell you, I think I was smart in waiting until day 28 to do this project, because I'm wiped, and tomorrow and my final 2 days are going to be tough now because of this day. But it was fantastic. It's 91 degrees here, so it was hot, and it is manual labor. So I said I helped to build the swing set that went up. I also did a lot of mulching, which is just brutal and sort of the job no one wants, but we all end up mulching. I think probably 225 to 250 people mulched at some point today, and it was just fantastic. So a great day. I love Kaboom. Check them out online. See if there's ever a chance to go out and help build this, because this playground will be around for generations to enjoy, and what a cool thing to have my hands a part of. So on to my final 2 days. I know they can't get any better, but I'm looking forward to them nonetheless.